Hello! Today I will show you how to manage swipes on SONY ZV-1 II. To start, open menu. Then go to Setup icon and choose Touch Operation. Then choose Shooting Screen, and here you can see swipe right, swipe left and swipe up. To change their effects, click on them and choose Icon Display Left or Icon Display Left and Right, or just turn it off. The same goes for the swipe left, but this has Icon Display Right. Swipe up have opened the FN menu or off. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.